Hey guys, today I received another package. I know it's bad lighting. Again, I can't do anything with it. It just is. And this is also from Catch Up CD. I hope I'll open this right. Like this. And this is bolbbalgan4's album, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think so. I hope so. It's the diary one, the page, I don't know, the diary one, the red one. Hope. Yeah, it is. Great. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's red diary, page 1. So yeah. Okay, let's see the sides. I know it's stupid, I have the plastic on still. Let's just get rid of all of this and this. And let's zoom a little bit in. Okay, the lighting got worse as I zoomed in. It's automatic focus, so I'm gonna do this again. Okay, there we go. Let's open this. Hoping that it will open my usual way of opening albums. It won't, so have to cut the edge. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Hoping that this will work better. Probably won't, but yeah, okay. Okay, this was really hard. Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. These are all Christmas presents, by the way, so I've ordered them on Christmas. There we go. Now it's a little bit better. Okay, this is the back, this is the front, side, like that. This one is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, I've tried to learn their names, which is a little hard. Wait, oh my god! How cute is that? Oh my god, how cute is that? Okay. So this is the book. Let's try and zoom in. This is the book. Looks like this. The side, it just says, this says Red Diary, and on the front is this picture. It's really cute. Okay, let's open it. I'm happy that there aren't. I love this album. It's so good. I love it so much. It's so good. Okay, so that's Ji Young and that's Ji Yoon. I'm pretty sure that's right. And I think there's a photo card. I'm not sure. There may not be. I don't know. Oh, there is. Oh my god, wait. Let's turn it over and take them out. There's probably 2 and 1 of each, so. Okay. Let's go through the pages. So it starts like this. I love the packaging of this. It's beautiful. Oh, they're so cute. They're just like adorable. I love them. And I know they weren't very successful at first, but I think it's better now. I think they're super cute. My friend showed me them, actually. And I was so happy she did, because Some is like one of the best girl group songs that has ever been. True Blue 2. What is this? What is going on? Oh my god, Blue. Blue is beautiful. All the songs are really beautiful on this album. I am really impressed with this album. They're so cute. Oh my god, I think I'm legit. Oh my god. They're really cute. This is a really nice photo book, guys. A really nice photo book. It's a little short for my liking, but it's a really nice quality photo book. And it looks really good, so I think it's really great. And you see Ji Yoon gets a lot of pictures because she's the main singer, but of course Ji Young gets a lot of pages, but Ji Yoon doesn't get that many, which is sad. But like they're a duo, I think it should be equal amount of pages, but that's just my opinion. Thanks to, and then the last page here, credit, and that's that. Let's check the photo cards, hoping I get one of each. I think I got two Ji Young, An Ji Young, yeah. Oh, that's the both of them, and then I got her photo card. Oh, that's so cute. Ah! I said her name wrong, sorry. It's An Ji Young. That's cute. Oh my god, they're so adorable. Seriously, like, oh my god. Okay. But that was the unboxing. It was really short, I know. I'm sorry for that. But that was the unboxing of the Red Diary for, oh my god, I'm so bad at this, holy shit. I think I'm gonna try to tie this into like a bow, because it seems so cute. Maybe I'm destroying it now, maybe I'm like so bad at this, but like look at that, that's cute. And then the photo cards. Trying to pick them up, god. Okay, that's the photo cards. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I know I'm not good at it yet, but I'm getting to it, so thank you so much for watching. Bye!